Struggling to make the most of your small apartment? We feel you. In this video, we've done the hard work for you, hunting down the most innovative, space-saving, and downright clever gadgets on Amazon that are perfect for tiny homes and any compact living situation. These are the best finds to help you maximize every single square foot. Number 35. Buna Tandem Shower. Imagine a morning where you and your partner aren't dancing for water pressure in a cramped shower. The Buna Tandem Shower makes this a daily reality. This brilliant dual-head system installs in minutes without a single plumbing change, creating a luxurious, shared shower experience. With multiple spray settings and individual control, it turns your biggest morning frustration into a spa-like ritual. Number 34. Theppo Towel Warmer. Step out of the shower and wrap yourself in pure, warm comfort. This towel warmer transforms your daily routine into a 5-star hotel experience. It gently heats your towels, robes, or even pajamas, banishing the chill from your bones. With a serene flame effect and aromatherapy option, it creates a cozy, spa-like atmosphere in your bathroom. Number 33. Arpituyan Steam Iron Press. Say goodbye to the cumbersome ironing board that takes up valuable space in your living area. This steam iron press is a space-saving powerhouse that makes ironing faster, easier, and more effective, giving you professional quality finishes at home. Its large plate and powerful targeted steam blast wrinkles off clothes, curtains, and linens with incredible efficiency. Number 32. iGeek Doorbell Camera. It is your renter-friendly guardian, providing crystal-clear video and instant alerts directly to your phone whenever motion is detected. See and speak to visitors from anywhere, day or night, with no monthly fees and easy integration with Alexa. It's a simple, powerful upgrade that makes your small space feel like a secure fortress. Number 31. KVRG Appliance Rollers. The struggle to clean behind a heavy refrigerator or washer is real. The appliance rollers solve this with sheer brilliance. A simple lever lift allows you to effortlessly roll your heaviest appliances away from the wall. This grants you easy access for cleaning, retrieving lost items, or plugging in devices. It's a simple innovation that saves your back, your floors, and your sanity during cleaning day. Number 30. Tadita Stovetop Cover. It is pure alchemy for your stovetop. When you're not cooking, this beautiful solid wood slab instantly transforms your burners into a generous and stylish prep area or a stunning serving tray for entertaining. It protects your stove from dust and splatters, all while adding a touch of warm, natural elegance to your kitchen's decor. Number 29. Portable Foldable Bathtub. You don't need a built-in tub to enjoy the bliss of a deep, relaxing soak. This portable bathtub is your ticket to hydrotherapy heaven right in your shower stall. Unfold it for a deep, shoulder-immersing bath that washes away stress, then collapse it flat for discreet storage. Crafted from soft, safe materials, it's the ultimate luxury for apartment owners. Number 28. Take Kit Rotating Bookshelf. For book lovers in small spaces, this bookshelf is a dream come true. Its ingenious spinning design means every title is accessible with a gentle turn, eliminating frustrating hard-to-reach corners. The compact footprint holds an impressive library vertically, while the clear acrylic panels create a modern, floating display for your collection. Number 27. Pranzia Wall Coat Rack. Clutter is the enemy of a small space, especially in narrow entryways, and this folding rack is the secret weapon for an organized home. Its elegant wooden hooks flip down to hold coats, bags, and keys, and then fold perfectly flat against the wall, becoming virtually invisible. This clever design gives you all the functionality of a hall tree without sacrificing an inch of your precious floor space. Number 26. Stowin Floor Chair. Reclaim your floor space with the ultimate in versatile seating with this comfy chair. It adjusts seamlessly from an upright position for gaming or working to a fully reclined lounger for reading or napping. With built-in USB ports and removable armrests for compact storage, it's the perfect extra seat that adapts to your life. Number 25, Mullingdon Electric Composter. It magically transforms food scraps into nutrient-rich compost within hours, slashing your waste volume dramatically. This device empowers you to live sustainably without a backyard, turning your kitchen waste into black gold for your plants and reducing your environmental footprint, all from the comfort of your tiny apartment. Number 24, Sothing Boot Dryer. Never pull on damp, cold boots again. This boot dryer is a game changer for anyone with an active lifestyle or who simply hates wet feet. This compact device uses gentle, circulating warmth to thoroughly dry and deodorize footwear, gloves, and socks overnight. It's perfect for rainy days, winter sports, or the gym. Number 23, Ninja Patio Heater. It is a versatile powerhouse, functioning as a warm, radiant heater, a mesmerizing fire pit, or both simultaneously. It creates a huge, cozy circle of warmth for your patio or balcony without any smoke, sparks, or messy ash. It transforms your apartment into a year-round destination for relaxing solo or hosting unforgettable gatherings. Number 22, Swit Egg Chair. Its sturdy stand and stylish look make it a stunning addition to any balcony, patio, or sunny corner inside, offering a dedicated spot for relaxation and daydreaming whenever you need a moment of peace. It is an invitation to unwind. With its hand-woven design and plush, comfortable cushions, the gentle, soothing swing motion is perfect for reading, napping, or simply disconnecting from the world. Number 21, Luxo Shower Mirror. Whether you're shaving or applying skincare, this mirror saves you time and ensures a perfect result every morning, making your routine more efficient and far more comfortable. It features advanced anti-fog technology that guarantees a clear reflection no matter how steamy it gets. Its powerful suction cup mounts securely in an instant, and the adjustable head finds your ideal angle. Number 20, Hokamome Kitchen Sink Organizer. It corrals sponges, brushes, and soaps into one tidy station, but the real magic is in the base. The diatomite coasters absorb all the water instantly, drying your tools in minutes, so you never have to deal with a soggy, messy tray again. This simple upgrade promotes hygiene, reduces clutter, and brings a new level of order and cleanliness to your kitchen counter. Number 19, Topia Hangers. Transform your cramped closet into a boutique-like display. These elegant wooden hangers feature smooth, adjustable clips that securely hold pants, skirts, and even heavy jeans without leaving creases or marks. Their slim, uniform profile maximizes your vertical space beautifully, making getting dressed a pleasure. Number 18, Patino Shoe Rack. Defeat shoe clutter in your entryway with this intelligently slanted rack. The unique 45-degree angle makes every pair visible and easy to grab, eliminating the frustrating dig-through. Its tall, narrow design fits perfectly in the tightest corners of hallways, holding numerous pairs in a footprint that's a fraction of a traditional rack. Number 17, Skyken Wall Shelf. This is storage that appears only when you need it. Mount the shelf on your wall and flip down the 2 tiers to hold toiletries, spices, or cleaning supplies. When you're done, the shelves fold completely flat, becoming a barely there half-inch profile. It's the ultimate flexible solution for bathrooms or kitchens, giving you all the utility of a shelf with none of the permanent space commitment. Number 16, MaPal Automatic Trash Can. Elevate your bathroom's hygiene and style with this hands-free trash can. A simple wave of your hand triggers the lid to open silently, preventing the spread of germs. The sealed design effectively contains odors and keeps curious pets out. Its sleek, compact form is designed for small spaces, offering a touchless, modern solution. Number 15, Ermson Countertop Dishwasher. Reclaim your time and counter space from dish duty. It is a fully featured dishwasher that doesn't need permanent plumbing. Just fill its integrated tank with water, select a wash cycle, and it cleans a full day's worth of dishes for a small household. With powerful spray arms and a hot air drying function, it delivers sparkling clean results. Number 14. Chemo Smart Humidifier. Combat dry air and breathe new life into your small space with the humidifier that quietly emits a fine, cool mist to relieve dry skin, soothe sinuses, and keep your plants thriving. With a soothing nightlight and ultra-quiet operation, it creates a perfectly comfortable and healthy environment in your bedroom, office, or living area. Number 13. Funny Air Bathroom Faucet. This isn't just a faucet, it's a versatile tool. The spout swivels a full circle, allowing you to direct water exactly where you need it. Choose between a gentle aerated stream for washing your face and a powerful spray for rinsing the sink. The sleek matte black finish resists fingerprints, making it a stylish and highly functional centerpiece for your small bathroom. Number 12. Ceramax Pro Electric Hot Pot. It boils, simmers, and sautés, allowing you to cook everything from ramen to stir-fries right at your coffee table or desk. Its compact size and easy clean interior make it ideal for small kitchens or tiny countertops. It's the ultimate appliance for minimalist cooking, empowering you to create delicious, home-cooked meals without needing a full-size kitchen. Number 11. Vasen Fabric Shaver. Breathe new life into your favorite sweaters, couch, and blankets with a shaver that gently and effectively shaves away unsightly fuzzballs and pilling that make fabrics look old and worn. Its rechargeable battery and easy empty lint chamber make it convenient to use. This handy tool is a budget-friendly way to revitalize your wardrobe and soft furnishings. Number 10. Trickton Document Bag. This robust bag is engineered with special materials to shield passports, deeds, and valuables from both fire and water damage. It features a secure combination lock for privacy and reflective strips for visibility in an emergency. More than a bag, it's a portable safe that securely protects your vital documents at home or on the go. Number 9. Chloris Massage Table. This portable folding table offers a stable, comfortable platform for massages, facials, or stretching. The plush padding and adjustable height cater to any need, and it conveniently packs away into a carrying case. It's an investment to enjoy the benefits of professional-grade therapy without the expensive spa visits, turning your apartment into a haven of relaxation.
Number 8. iEgrow Laundry Hamper. Make laundry day effortless with this mobile and collapsible hamper. Its large capacity holds a significant load, and the smooth rolling wheels let you transport clothes to the washer without strain. The real genius is that when empty, the entire unit collapses down to a slim panel that slides effortlessly under a bed or into a closet. Number 7. Elite Hood Tablet Pillow Stand. This innovative pillow stand cradles your tablet, book, or phone at the perfect height and angle, eliminating neck and back strain. The beanbag base conforms securely to your lap or an uneven surface, providing stable hands-free viewing anywhere. It's the ergonomic solution for comfortable browsing, reading, or watching in bed or on the couch. Number 6. Putrim's Smart Projector. Experience a true cinematic escape in your tiny home with this projector. It is an all-in-one entertainment hub with streaming apps built directly in. It projects a massive, bright and sharp image onto any wall, with automatic features that perfect the picture instantly, transforming your living room into a personal movie theater. Number 5. Iris USA Underbed Storage. These sleek sliding drawers provide effortless access to your seasonal clothes, extra bedding, or hobby supplies. Simply pull the handle to reveal your stored items. No more dragging heavy boxes out into the open. The clean, white design keeps your space feeling light and airy, while the dust-proof lids protect your belongings. Number 4. SNTD Baker's Rack. It provides ample shelving for your appliances and pantry items, but its superpower is the integrated power strip. With the flip of a single switch, you can power your coffee maker, toaster, and slow cooker simultaneously. It consolidates your countertop appliances into one organized, functional station, effectively creating a dedicated coffee bar or baking center in even the tiniest of kitchens. Number 3. Gashel Washer-Dryer Countertop. Revolutionize your laundry area with this simple, transformative bamboo top. It creates a wide, stable, and beautiful folding surface right over your machines, finally giving you a proper workspace. The raised lip prevents clothes from slipping behind, and the sturdy construction can hold your laundry baskets. Number 2. 3i G10 Plus Robot Vacuum. It is a technological marvel that not only vacuums with incredible power, but also mops your floors. Using smart mapping, it navigates your entire space efficiently, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every nook is spotless. Control it from your phone or with your voice, and let this intelligent robot maintain pristine floors for you every single day. Number 1. Room Divider. Our number 1 pick is the ultimate multifunctional tool for tiny apartments. This elegant, lightweight screen instantly creates privacy in a studio, separates a home office from a living area, or hides a cluttered corner. But it does more. The built-in shelves provide precious display space for books, plants, and decor, adding functionality without footprint. It's a room maker, a storage solution, and a style statement all in one. And there you have it. 35 truly brilliant Amazon gadgets that prove your tiny apartment doesn't have to hold you back. If this video helped you spot your next upgrade, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel.